Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy's Local Learnings. Welcome back to the Zen Den. Today I have a question for you guys about my channel. So I'm going to ask the question now, and then I'm going to get back into the reason that I'm asking the question after I'm done talking to you about channel growth. So should I start another channel? Okay, so I want to talk to you guys more about the comments. As my channel is growing, right, it's getting busier and busier, and the comments are harder to do. I am going to be placing more emojis out there, because it's a lot. It's a lot to try to schedule in your time between making the videos and doing the research, and it's just a lot. And then life, right? Life be lifing. I have some big changes happening in my life right now. That are kind of causing me to want to be more diligent and disciplined about putting out my content. So, schedule a time. I'm going to be doing this series right now that's just gone. This will be the last video of it. I'm posting it every day or every other day at 4:20 in the afternoon. So that's going to be my time. That's when I'm going to post videos. I don't know why, but it just feels right. It's like a perfect time of the day to just have a minute to stop. And because I premiere, I like to sit down with you guys and kind of chat with you. So that's when I'm doing my videos. Now, don't be afraid to try something new. I want to encourage you guys, don't be afraid to try something new. And that's what that book is all about, writing down your ideas. They might seem crazy when you write them down. They might seem out of touch, but you never know, right? My channel has changed a lot. When I originally started my channel, it was basically medicinals, but it was also with my chickens, and I had goats. Now, I have removed my goat content because I don't have goats anymore, but I've left my chicken content up because I do intend on having new chickens in the spring. But in the meantime, I'm going to be doing some traveling during the winter months because I actually really like driving in the snow. So part of the reason I asked you guys a question about should I start another channel is because I am going to be doing a totally different type of content that I have done in the past, and that's going to be going through the process of getting a vehicle, so some sort of a vlog or something, all through the process. Now, if you guys have seen my auto wrecking video, you know I like older vehicles. So it's going to be a process of finding that vehicle that I'm looking for. I do understand that the price of gas is really high, and I do prefer full-size trucks and older ones. So I got kind of a weird thing going on here, right? And I'm just going to hope that whatever is right for me comes to me. But I'm going to bring you guys along for that because I think it's going to be really fun, right? You guys might be on there, no, don't buy it. And I'll be like, I'm going to buy it. You never know what's going to happen. But I hope you guys will join me for that transition in my channel. And that's where I really, really want to encourage you guys. You know, I would have never thought that my channel would have grown. I'm so heartwarmed this much so quickly. Well, it didn't really happen quickly, but when I think about it, when I started to learn all these different things about YouTube, I was almost like, I was over a year in before I had a clue about anything. And before I had a clue about community and how important it is. Because really, when we start our channels, we feel like we're all alone, right? We're just this person in wherever sharing whatever they think might be a benefit. And when reality, I mean, when we start finding each other, it just brings us all so much closer together. We can all benefit each other with different things. I mean, we all have unique life skills, right? We all have unique experiences. We've all traveled down different roads. And YouTube's really about sharing that, sharing the excitement, the joy, the passion, the good times, the bad times, and everything in between. Like, you might not think that, people will want to come hang out with you, but I have been shown by the universe that that's not true. And each one of us, we are, we all have our own benefit. We bring something to the community in our own way, whether it's through knowledge or, humor. It's always nice to have some people around that have a great sense of humor and that bring, lift joy and laughter into a comment section in a live or whatever, right? So really take the time, be present with the people that are there for you. Build a bond, build a strength in, your knowing. That's why I love watching YouTube. I have some creators like, okay, so she's in her element. Now, I started watching her originally because she was canning and whatnot, but her channel is totally switched. But I have become so close with her that I love seeing whatever she's doing. And she is doing curbside finds where she's teaching people on YouTube how to do magic to furniture. Like whether it's furniture in your own house, that you just want it to look better, or whether you find stuff on the side of the road or at a flea market or whatever for cheap and turn it into dollars. Like she's making large and she wants to teach you guys. She's teaching people step by step how to create this beautiful furniture that people just, bang down your door for. So if you guys are into that, go check out She's in Her Element. That's Sean. But anyway, so I've been watching her for so long. When I get a notification that she has a new video coming out, the first thing I do is I make time for that. And then I go make myself a cup of tea because I always sit down. Typically, I come out to the Zen Den because I like to watch her out here. It's just more fun. This is like my little kid playhouse or whatever you want to call it. It's my fun time. So I usually grab my cup of tea and I head out here and I watch her video, and it is so fun when you really connect with people, when you get it. They'll say things that or they'll giggle or something, and you just pick up on it because you know them. It's so important to really connect. Even though it's through a video, we can still connect and we can still open our heart and be present and pay attention and learn about each other and grow together. So this was kind of a wrap up. If you haven't seen the other videos, I encourage you to go back. There's a part 1, part 2, part 3, and this is part 4. So again, comments down below, you guys. Let's all encourage each other. Let's all grow together. Let's all inspire each other to become stronger and to the top in 2026, you guys. Let's do this. Thank you so much for coming by my channel. Smash the thumbs up, ring the notification bell so you don't miss another upload, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.